one of the guys, and I'm gonna show you how to make a fort, but it's also a castle. So there are two barriers. One barrier is right here, so the other team doesn't know you are there, and the other barrier is right here. It has a roof, so when you to the back, and also the barriers wouldn't know you're here if you get in. So if they enter and they don't know you're there, you would shoot them. And also there's a prison. And there's also a throne room. There's a throne room too. It's really dark. It's hard to see in there, but there's actually a throne room in there. You'll see it while we're making it. And there's also a war room / well, it's not war room / bedroom. Okay, if you look carefully, you can actually see the things right there. There's like a bow, a shield,
and swords.
And 2 swords.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, so for this project, you're going to need 8 blankets. These blankets are optional for the prison. If you have small blankets like that, you can use them. You need at least 5 or 4 clips, 2 horns, which will show you how we made them, a flashlight, some stuffed animals, which those you don't need, those are optional. You need 3 pillows, and you need some toy weapons.
And defenses.
No, and we also need 2 baskets.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the throne room. Grab one of your longer pillows, place it on the wall, and just say you need darker bedroom for this design. So
if you only want the throne room, you can have 1 bedroom.
With the 2 stuffed animals, 2 big ones like these 2, you don't need them, but you could use them. Put 1 on each side of the pillow, because that's going to be your throne where you like sit like this. So then next, we're going to take one of the blankets. I advise this one's red, since castle is when you go up to the throne room, there's sometimes red carpets. So find the shortest side, which is, for me, it's going to be this side. Make it start from right where the guards are, right here, to back here, to eventually right to this end. You can make it, we're going to make it thinner later, but next, we're taking a blanket. It could be any color, it just has to be a smaller one. This is going to be the wall for the jail. So put it up on top like this, and make sure it covers the whole thing, but mine doesn't right now, and that really matters. So later I'm gonna like this. So then take the front of your clips looks like this. Just use one of your clips that looks like it's a scanner the most, and then put it on the edge for a lock, and try to bend it like that if you can. See, because then you can like scan anything you want, like scan a fake card. Okay, next we're gonna, since we know where the jail is gonna be, we're gonna put it all the way up to the jail, put it sideways, let it hang off a bit. Doesn't really matter, it just has to be like this, so you can be like enter right here, and you could crawl from right here to right here. Or if you want something done, you would just talk. Okay. Next, we're going to put the other wall for the jail. Next we're going to put these for the jail, which these are like the blankets and food, but you don't need these. I'm just showing, just put them in the back, just like the blanket and pillow, doesn't matter what it is. So now, find another small blanket. I just found that one. Usually I use this one. So just put it up here, and it doesn't matter if it falls right now, because when you get on top, we're gonna show you how to do it. Can you get me a clip? Thanks. So just put it near put the clip near the ladder, because then later we're going to show you why you want to put that one near the ladder instead of this one, and one edge can be hanging off. So then we're going to want to put the wall for we're going to want to put the wall for right here. So make sure you have 2 clips for this. But for over here, if you have 2 clips, put the 2 clips up on the top one. So then, with the long side, which I have the long side right now, put it in the bottom right here. Take a clip and then clip it onto this. So then grab another clip, go all the way to the end, clip it on again, like this, like that. So that's the entrance. Look, like you could do this. And please give me gold now. Okay. Now, if you have more stuffed animals, you could put them as jailers. Try to put like a dog and like 2 things at the ladder, and a guy like sitting on top of him, looking at if they're not tall enough. Like
this bottom part also works for things other than bunk beds. Except you won't be able to make this wall, and actually you can make those guys stand up still.
Okay, that's all. Bye. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need for the top is a pickaxe or a sword. It's optional. You could hang it over to the side. Okay, so you're going to need to pick this up and then slide it over this side. Then with this pickaxe, you're going to have to do it like that so it doesn't fall. And the next thing you're going to need is a pillow. Right? Mine's a pillow that you like put your head on, for like a part where you'd sleep. And for like somewhere you'd sleep. And then there would be like there would be more right over there. So, and then next thing you'll need is some it's in arrows and bows and stuff. So I think you should start with the swords, and then the bows, then the arrows, then the shield, then the arrows. Okay, so this is what you, so it's the swords, then the bows,
then the shield, then the arrows. So that's what it should look like. And then now the horns. It will be the it would be the second easiest thing to put on. So you put one on like this, one on this. Okay.
So to make the horns, you will need one of these tube things, a pipe like that, a glove, and another pipe that looks like this that you can blow into, and there's a hole at the top. We put the glove and a top like this. But if you don't can't get any of those, you don't need the horns.
Yeah, the horns are optional. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna need is 2 stuffed animals. So this is optional. You put one stuffed animal like blowing, you're gonna go like this to blow the horns, and then the other one the same.
Okay. But if you lay down in this after it's all finished, it's actually very comfortable.
Yes. Okay, so next you're gonna need this, a pillow. You're gonna ask, what am I gonna do with a pillow, right? No. So this is what you're gonna do with a pillow. This is why you would need to have this clip on right there. So I just bring everything up because it's harder to get up. So I will not about that right now. Okay. So you put this right here, and then you try to get 2 like bare things that can hold on like this for like the guards of like the gate. Okay. Okay, so for this part you need some levies. This is optional. So you put them like right here for like their attacking. If you have a small guy like this, but like you put them on top of a guy, and then
Just line them up.
yeah. That's what you would do for this part. So now, for this last part,
We have to
you're going to get a blanket.
It has to be a big one though, but not big like those.
Yeah, because
Just
those,
like the
those
big-
are too thick. You have to have a thin blanket.
Like big, like the red, like the red one.
Yeah, like the red or blue one. Like this type of blanket. A blanket that's not too big and thick or heavy. Because this blanket is pretty light. Because it would have to... This part you might not be able to do depending on where your bunk bed is. Or what, like...
So
you have
to
next
get
to your
up,
bunk bed.
so to get up,
So, yeah.
right now,
So to get up, you...
without hitting those guys down,
Yeah, you have to do like... Go up from the side.
so you don't hit those guys down. See, they're perfectly fine.
Except that's wrong.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Sometimes they
fix that
get
later.
knocked over,
Not
and
too bad. I'll fix that later. Okay, so
just fix it. Wait. Okay. So if you have a curtain next to your bed, you would do this. But if you have another idea, post it in the comments below.
okay, so you're gonna want your short side, which is this side for me. So
You see this part of the cotton? You lift it up a little right there. Where if there's like a hook on a part of the edge of your curtain that's like right here. See where you attach it? There's a hook right there.
yeah, so then you just
pull it back.
Pull it back.
Like, make it as big as possible and cover everything, but not too big. Like, see how big that is? And you can guide sideways to put it right here. And then it's just up a little. See?
Yeah.
And if you have a better idea how to put this up, just share it in the comments. Yeah. And also remember to like this video and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, back
And
to the video.
That's technically how you
Oh.
talk.
And now we're doing the with one of these thick blankets and 2 baskets. So first we're gonna have to put the one basket right there facing like this. Make sure like the ends are look like this. Both sides, everything's equal like this.
Okay,
Then,
so this second blanket, well, you're gonna need the long side, which is this side.
put it over and try to get the longest you can get it, which is apparently like this. So then make sure you put it good enough so then it looks like a actual, like it's tilted like that.
And then,
Make sure it looks like this.
yeah, and then we're gonna need this small blanket. It can be any small blanket. I just prefer this one, and because it's really small. And then we do that.
And then, so then it has a top on over it. So then if people are like shooting at you from up here, it's like
Or
a roof.
somebody would shoot like that, so then the bullet would go down, and like an awful.
Okay, now let's move on to our next barrier. Okay, for this barrier, we're gonna need a smaller space, but make sure it's not like too small. I'm gonna start with my side, since I think it's more complicated. If you have like a drawer right here, and you have something heavy, put it the one side underneath that as far as you can. Then it stays on, and you need the short side for this. And for the other side, this side, okay, so you put it, if you have like a counter right here, then I'm gonna put this right here, so then it would something heavy. So it's something heavy. So if you want us to build any new forts, like different, and leave a comment below, and you can like tell us how you want us to look like and designed. Bye.